So we have Yaw here from Woodbridge, Virginia. Yaw just completed the Detail Czar Certified Detailer Private License Training Program. Today, he's been here since Friday, and he did a remarkable job. He, along with the trainers and one of the other students, did a tremendous job on this Porsche Cayenne. Just increased the value probably by about 10 grand. So what do you think of the training this weekend?
I mean, the training is very great, very fantastic, and I like it so much.
You learned a lot?
Yeah, especially the business part of it.
Business day, you like the business day?
It talks about all the paperwork and everything.
And you did a great job on the hands-on day too. I mean, the way you were holding that Rupees polisher looked like you've been doing it for a long time. Yeah. Do you think you're going to be able to go back now and start your business?
Sure, why not? Because right now, I don't care whatever car I see.
Right.
I'm not scared of it.
Yeah. So you build a lot of confidence up,
Yes,
huh?
the confidence is there. At least I know all the chemicals, every product to use. So, and the guidance of
They did a great job,
Chase
didn't they?
and Chris, in fact.
They did a great job. Good job, guys. They always do a great job. I don't know where I'd be without those guys. So you are now Detail Czar and Jade Ceramic Coating certified. Congratulations.
Thank you, and I also want everybody to know you are also doing a very great job.
Thank you so much.
I will recommend everybody.
We greatly appreciate that. Thank you, y'all. Have a safe trip home.
Thank you.